Okay, another update. It's actually taking a lot longer than I had expected, but I figured as much. What I've done, I've pretty much got all of the clear off of the front of the wheels. Now the back, I wasn't really sure if they were cleared or not, but I had a gallon of the stripper, so I figured I'd give it a shot. Go ahead and show you what they look like now. I've put a couple coats of the stripper on, but it's not bubbling up the way it did in the front, but I don't know, it might help, it might not. Just show you how it looks now. Tell it's corroded pretty bad. I think I took a Scotch pad to the back over here on one of the sides, and it actually cleaned it up pretty good. I haven't dealt with stuff on it, but that's where I'm at as of right now. So I'll give you another update after I get the backs cleaned off and clean the tires off as well.